Hi everyone, and welcome to 3 for 3, which includes some tech tips in 3 minutes. So I'm really excited to show you a feature today that is a new addition to a premium tool we already have, and that is the Stickity Chrome extension. Now, you might have used the old Stickity add-on, which really worked in just Google Slides and Google Docs and Google Forms, but this new Stickity Chrome extension is even better because it allows you to bring in stickers and icons that are all aligned with web accessibility guidelines, which is important, translate them, and you can use it in more than just Google tools now. They work seamlessly into a Canvas course. You can use them in a ParentSquare message, and they're all designed with accessibility in mind. So something to check out. You get premium access through your BCSE Google account. The biggest thing is make sure that you have the extension. You can install it from the Chrome web store if you just search for Stickity, but you can add icons almost anywhere you work online. So I'm just going to model where you can do this really quickly in Canvas because I think this is probably a nice feature to add into your courses. So if I'm in my Canvas course right now, this is one that I kind of put a lot of random stuff into, but I actually already have some Stickity stickers in here on a different page. But if I wanted to easily add in some stickers that tell students like these are expectations, these are the different resources or supplies you need in class today, Stickity can allow you to do that. And really visuals help build a common language. So instead of writing directions twice, you can use icons and use that to support your instruction. So if I click the edit button, I'm going to go into editing view here, and this is the extension I'm about to show you. That's the same process no matter what tool you're in. So if you're in Canvas or ParentSquare or Google tool, same process. So I'll click my little Stickity icon here at the top, and if you're wondering how I got it there, I pinned it, which you can do from your Chrome puzzle piece there. But here we go. So I can search through a different type of template. So if it's, supplies or something like that, I can search for it. I'm just going to go into class expectations, and we're just going to say that today, maybe we need to bring headphones. All right. So I can just add this in right here, copy image, and then it pastes it in. So we're good to go there. So I have that nice little sticker. But if I want to adjust this further, this is the part that's really, really important. So I'm going to open my little Stickity sticker here again, and I'm going to use the same one. I'm going to use the same little headphones one, but I'm going to click the pencil button. And this is where I can change the language and also where a nice little hack is. So if I open this up, I'm going to change this into a different language. They have several that are here already. I'm going to do Spanish for this example. I'm thinking of some of my Legato classes. It's multilingual environment. Want to support that. But then in addition to, wrong button. So in addition to it being in Spanish, when I translate it to a different language, now I can go through and I can also add it in English if I would like. So I can put that on there as well. So it's up to you. But if you just want to really honor that multilingual environment, so build in native languages, but then also build some more familiarity with words in English, so students are seeing both, you can easily do that here. So I can, again, either just download it or I can copy it. And then if I come over here, now I have it there in both languages. So you can do that on a lot of the stickers that have text and language on them. You just click that pencil before you add it. So again, just builds that common language in your classroom. Super easy to do. Give it a go, give it a try. We have a challenge going on right now in 2025 in March, where if you add a Stickity sticker using this new extension and you basically submit a screenshot and say what you did, then you could be entered to win a free lunch. So you'll get a free lunch on us. So give it a go, give it a try, and thanks for watching.